subconscious mind only rules 5%. We think we control everything and we know everything with our conscious minds, but it's actually only, our conscious mind only controls about 5% of our reality, okay? So our subconscious mind is where it's at. You want to get deep into the subconscious if you want lasting results. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I had an idea to do a manifestation challenge. I personally do my own manifestation challenges literally every single month, and I was like, why am I not telling you guys about this? Why am I not sharing this? Why should we not do this together? So today I have a really fun and exciting video for you guys, a manifestation challenge that will literally shift everything for you. When I did this, my entire life, like my entire reality shifted, like everything just shifted for me. So before we get into the video, if you desire private coaching with me, the link to that is down below, as well as my limitless community where we do all things manifestations. The members in there just got the most insane and fast, crazy results. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is about being, I'm not saying this just like for my containers, right? It's because I'm in containers too. Like I invest in myself all the time and in programs. And I don't know what it is about the energy of like a coaching container, like let's say private coaching, or let's say a course, or let's say just a membership, like my limitless membership. Getting inside, just by being in that energy, things already start to shift. Maybe you haven't even taken the course and things already started changing for you. That's happened a lot for my students, and as well for me in the past when I would invest in myself, because it's like you're doing the thing, you're showing the universe that you're ready, you're ready for this transformation, and that's all sometimes you need. I don't want this to sound like you should invest in my coaching, because that's not what I'm saying here. I'm saying it is super powerful to be in a container together, whether that is my container, someone else's, you do you. But yeah, today I wanted to share a manifestation challenge. I'll also be doing a workshop on lasting results versus surface level manifestation. I see that a lot in the manifestation community these days, just like only surface level manifestation, and that's really something I want to address and talk about and teach you guys how you can have lasting results. Can you tell I am a quarter Italian because all I do is this? If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. It helps me a lot. It helps me bring you guys more videos for free. And let's get into the manifestation challenge. And this is going to be a super short video, but basically the manifestation challenge is the perfect life. I kind of want to call it perfect life syndrome, because we've seen the lucky girl syndrome everywhere. Like I've seen that everywhere. So I did want to make a video just on like something that everybody has already shared. So, and also one thing this is actually something that I have experimented myself with. I would never teach something that I didn't live or experience myself. Like everything that I teach, I have gotten results from, and fast results and amazing results from. So I would never just like regurgitate something because someone else, it has worked for someone else, you know? I can only speak from my experience. So the affirmation that I used, which shifted literally everything for me, and I will be sharing these things at some point on my channel, but the affirmation that has shifted everything for me is my life is perfect. It is so simple, yet it creates the biggest shifts. So that's why I wanted to call it Perfect Life Syndrome Challenge, or My Life is Perfect Challenge. I'm not really sure what the title will be of this video, but just telling yourself every single day, my life is so perfect. I have the freaking best life. Like my life is perfect. My life is absolutely perfect. It is just so perfect. I have the most amazing life. If you're in a relationship, you can say, we're so happy. Our relationship is so perfect. Everything about my life, I can't believe this is my life. My life is so freaking perfect. And just sharing this with you, telling this to yourself, sharing this with yourself all the time, every single day. So this challenge is going to be a 30-day challenge, okay? Because sometimes some people see results after one day. Usually results happen very fast, but to have it like really ingrained in your subconscious mind, it takes about 21 days, okay? And we all know that the subconscious mind rules 95% of our reality. Our conscious mind only rules 5%. We think we control everything and we know everything with our conscious minds, but it's actually our conscious mind only controls about 5% of our reality, okay? So our subconscious mind is where it's at. You want to get deep into the subconscious if you want lasting results, okay? And I'm going to talk about lasting results versus surface level manifestation is amazing and it works. It's like manifesting a parking spot, manifesting $500 here and there, manifesting a date, or like things like that. It's like surface level. It's not going to change your life. You know what I mean? It's amazing, it works, but it's not going to give you lasting, life-changing, fuck, I'm living my dream life, that kind of results, okay? So my life is perfect challenge. Just tell yourself every single day, my life is perfect. This is so perfect. My reality, I literally have everything I've ever desired. I have everything I've ever dreamed of. My reality is perfect. I literally am the person that has it all. I love that one because that's like self-concept. I am the person who has it all. Like she has it all. I'm her or him. I am the person that has it all. So we're going to be doing this challenge for 30 days from when this video is posted, and share with me your results in the comments down below. Also, we're gonna start this now, and I kind of like the fact that we're all doing this together. But if you tap into this video, I don't know, a year from now or later, like, cause you know, maybe you're watching this in the future, you can absolutely do this for 30 days and report back to me. And most of you will see results not in 30 days, but like in 3 days, in 7 days. And trust me, I promise you, if you do this, if you stick to it, if you tell yourself every single day, all the time, I'm not saying just do it 5 minutes a day, I'm saying do it all the time, like when you're in the bathroom, when you're in the shower, when you're doing dishes, when you're driving your car, when you're falling asleep. My life is so perfect. My life is so amazing. And you don't have to say it out loud, you can just say it in your head. Everything in my reality is perfect. I have it all. I am the woman, the man who has it all. My reality is just perfect. I am so excited to hear about your results, and I will see you guys in another video.